Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2009 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2007 all the way up to 2009. All the fuses you need will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger cabin just next to the passenger's left foot, just behind this cover. Now to remove this cover you just want to pull it straight towards yourself. And on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 12, which is a 25 amp fuse located right here. And this is the fuse responsible for power to the amplifier. So you will check this fuse in case there is no sound coming from the speakers. Second fuse to check would be fuse number 14, which is located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the infotainment system. Main fuse to check, it's a fuse number 17, which is located right here, and it's a blue 15 amp fuse responsible for power to the radio. So you will be checking this fuse in case your radio is not powering up at all. And there is one more fuse in case your Chevy Equinox is equipped with rear seat entertainment, so that's mostly for the LTZ trim. And this is the fuse number 2, which is a 10 amp fuse located in the upper left corner. So in total you have 4 fuses to check. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.